Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale premium collections with the Hartford beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin scaling premium collections with the Hartford, you need to familiarize yourself with their offerings. Start by researching the Hartford's premium collection program. Understand what types of coverage and benefits are included. Next, identify your target audience by analyzing market demographics. Create a list of potential clients who may benefit from premium offerings. Develop a compelling value proposition that highlights the advantages of choosing the Hartford. Utilize social media and digital marketing to reach your audience effectively. Design promotional materials that clearly communicate your services and benefits. Reach out to existing clients and educate them about premium options available with the Hartford. Set up an appointment system for consultations to discuss premium collections in more detail. Use follow-up emails to maintain communication with prospects and existing clients. Offer personalized solutions tailored to the specific needs of each client. Monitor industry trends to stay competitive and adapt your approach as necessary. Leverage data analytics to track the success of your premium collection efforts. Regularly evaluate your strategies based on performance metrics. Seek feedback from clients to improve your offerings and service. Build relationships with local businesses to expand your network and potential client base. Consider hosting informational seminars or webinars to showcase the benefits of premium collections. Always keep your knowledge updated regarding the Hartford's policies and industry regulations. By following these steps, you will effectively scale premium collections with the Hartford. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.